Good morning. Myself, Dr. D. Chandra Prakash, working as an associate professor in the Department of ECE. Today, I will explain about topic about transistor. Transistor means the name indicates transfer of resistance. Here, two types of transistor is present. One is NPN, second is PNP. What is the symbol of NPN? Here the arrow mark outside shows NPN transistor. Coming to PNP transistor, the arrow mark goes to inner side. This is called PNP transistor. What is the purpose of here arrow mark means the flow of direction of current. The flow of direction of current. Flow of direction of current is nothing but arrow mark represent. How to construct transistor? Let us take, I am taking NPN, NPN. Here NPN transistor, how many junctions are present? N to P is one junction and P to N second junction. In a transistor, how many, let us take, I will ask questions. In a transistor, how many junctions are present? A bit is 1, B bit is 2, C bit is 3, D bit is 4. Which one is correct? 2 junction. Here P is sandwiching between two N layers. P is sandwich between two layers, that is N. P is sandwiching means common to both N layers. Common to both N layers. If you take symbols of transistor is NPN and PNP. Terminals of transistor is, we can call it as E, B, C. E for stands for emitter, B for base, C for collector. Let us take in transistor, base is present here and emitter is present here and collector is present here. The size wise of transistor is E, B, C. How to represent size? Base is very thin size, emitter is medium, base is thin size and collector is large size. This is the size of terminals of transistor. EBC, we can call it as, how to remember is EBC. E for emitter, B for base, C for collector. This is the basic terminals of transistor. This is the layers of transistor is NPN, second is PNP. If you go for transistor configuration, 3 types of configurations present in transistor. 3 types of configurations. Common emitter, common collector, common base. This is the 3 types of configuration present in transistor. Here the first C indicates common. First C indicates common. Common represent grounded. If you talk about common emitter, the emitter is grounded. The emitter is grounded. While talking about common collector, collector is grounded. Collector is grounded. If you take common emitter, base is input and collector is output. Base act as an input, collector as an output. This is for common emitter configuration. In the common collector, collector is grounded. Remaining base is input and emitter is output. While talking about common base, base is grounded here, common base, and the remaining terminals are, one is act as inputs and remaining terminals act as a output. Let us take the difference between common emitter and common collector, common base. Common emitter is the best example of amplifier. Why common emitter we choose means it act as a voltage amplifier, it act as a current amplifier. That's why we better way the transistor amplifier using is C is the best example. What is meant by amplifier first of all? Amplifier means signal to strong signal. Let us take is slow. Hello, my voice is now high. In between the gap, the weak signal should be converted to strong signal is called amplifier with the help of transistor. The transistor purpose is amplifying now. Okay, that is the called the example of transistor is amplifying. Second is switch. We can use it as switch purpose. Second is switch, amplifier, and third is clipper, and fourth one is clamper, and fifth one is rectifier. And we can use it as AM, amplitude modulation, we can use it as diodes also. These are the application of transistors: switch, amplifier, clipper, clamper, rectifier, and we can use it as, these are the practical application of transistor. In a transistor, the current gain amplification factor we can represent as alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is common base current gain. Beta is common emitter current gain. Gamma is common collector gain. Alpha is common base and beta is common emitter, gamma is common collector. If you suppose I am taking alpha means common base means, how to define common base current gain is, it is the ratio of, whenever we are talking about base, next remaining collector and emitter is present outside. Okay, it is the ratio of IC by IE, we can call it as alpha equal to IC by IE. In this relation, alpha into IE is nothing but IC. Alpha into IE is nothing but IC. IC equal to alpha into I. Here alpha represent current gain of common base. IE represent emitter current. IC represent collector current. What is the relationship between IE and IB and IB and IB and IC is? IE is the summation of IB plus IC. Again this, in this relation you want IC means IE minus IB. If you want IB equal to IE minus IC. This is the relationship between emitter current and base current and collector current. And the relationship between alpha and beta, in terms of alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. In terms of beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Let us find out alpha value equal to 0.9. Let us find out alpha value equal to 0.9. Find out beta value. Beta equal to, what is the formula? Substitute alpha value in this equation. Get it as beta value. Alpha equal to 0.9 by 1 minus 0.9. 0.9 by 1 minus 0.9 is nothing but 0.1. 9 by 1. Now this is finally we can get it as beta equal to 9. This is the relationship between, whenever the alpha value is given mean find out beta value. If it is given beta value is given as find out alpha value. Suppose beta equal to 5. Find out alpha value. Alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. This is the relationship between alpha and beta. Given beta value is given as 5, substitute beta value in this equation, we can get it as alpha value. Now let us take beta value is 5 and 1 plus 5 and 5 by 6 is nothing but 0.7 is the approximate value of alpha. This is the relationship between alpha value and beta value. Alpha value is 0.7. Whenever alpha value is given as 0.9 and find out beta value, that is beta value is 9, and beta value is given as some value and find out alpha value. This is the relationship between alpha and beta. Alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta and beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. I will ask questions here. What are the terminals of emitter, base, collector? Emitter, base, collector. Emitter, base, collector. Again, transistors terminals are A for emitter, B for collector, C for base and D for gate. Which one is correct? Both A, B, C is correct. Next, alpha equal to relation IC by IE A bit, IB by IC, IC by IE, again IC by IC. Which one is correct? IC by IE is correct answer. If you want, take beta equal to nothing but common emitter. Beta equal to common emitter. Emitter is coming to here picture. Now look, again C and base is looking here. Beta equal to IC by IB. This is the relationship between beta equal to in terms of emitter current and collector current, base current. Okay, beta equal to IC by IB. And IC, in this equation, IC equal to beta into IB. This is the relationship between alpha, beta, base current and collector current. Suppose beta, find out beta, IC value equal to 5.6 and beta value equal to IB value equal to 9, find out beta value. Beta equal to IC value is given as 5.6 and again IB value is given as 9. You can take it as multiplied with 0, 56 by 90, 14 4s are, 14 5s are, 4 by 5 is approximately 0.8. This is the value of beta. In terms of IC value is given and IB value is given, find out beta value is, this is the relationship between beta and IC and IB. Suppose in this expression, find out alpha value, IC is given as 48 and IE is given as 5 and find out alpha value. Alpha equal to relation, it is the relation IC by IE. Here IC equal to 48 and IE equal to 5, approximately 5 ones are, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. Alpha for alpha value. Depending upon situation, IC and IE is given as, find out alpha value means you have to take this equation and IC and IB whenever the equation is given as, find out beta value. Now let us take IE equal to, only two currents are given, find out one more current. IE equal to relation IB plus IC. You find out IC value, IB value is given as 9.5 and IE value is given as 2.7. Find out IC value. What is the relationship between IC and IE and IB? This is the relation, strong relation between IE is the summation of emitter current equal to base current plus collector current. Here base suffix C is pronounced first, I suffix B. Here I suffix B, base current, collector current, emitter current. Emitter current is summation of base current plus collector current. He mentioned IB value is mentioned and IE value is mentioned. Find out IC value. This is the, you have to take this relation. In this equation, IE minus IB equal to IC value. Here asking IC value. Find out IE value is given as 2.7 and beta value is 9.5. Find out IC value. In this equation, minus terms is coming. Let us take 9.5 minus 2.7, approximately minus 6 point is the correct answer for IC current. 6.8 is the correct answer. Let us take IC by alpha equal to IC by IE. IB value is given and IC value is given. Two values are given. Okay. Find out alpha value. Suppose IB value is 5.7 and IC value equal to 6.2. Okay. Find out IE. Alpha equal to IC by IE. IC alpha equal to IC by IE. Here how to find out IE value is, IE equal to, whenever the base current and collector current is given means you have to take IE value. IE equal to summation of base current plus collector current. Here base current is given as 5.7 and the collector current is given as 6.2. Add this, you can get it as total IE current. 5.7 plus 6.2, 7 plus 2 is 9.11.9 is the IE current. You get IE current, then substitute in this equation IC equal to IE current. Here IC is given as 5.7 approximately, given IE value 11.9, then you can get it as alpha value. Whenever the two currents are given, you have to take this relation. IE equal to strong relation, IE equal to IB plus IC. IE equal to IB plus IC. Emitter current is summation of base current plus collector current. Here I am asking question, what is the relationship between alpha, beta, gamma and IE? Okay, equal to IC plus IB, IB minus IE and IC plus IE, none. Which one is current? IE equal to summation of base current plus collector current is the correct answer. How many terminals are there? Transistor E, B, C. A bit, D bit, G, S, D. G for gate, S for source, D for drain. And C bit is both A and B, and D bit is none. Which one is correct? EBC is the correct. EBC means emitter, base, collector. Next, transistor is best application is A bit is switch, second is amplifier, C is power amplifier, D bit is none. The best choosable answer is the amplifier is the excellent answer. Amplifier means transistor is the best example is amplifier, amplifying the devices. Okay, transistor we can take in public address system. Okay, let us take in a crowd. Suppose you take example Secunderabad Gincana ground. Narendra Modi came. He want to address the again BJP part. He will take a public address system. Then only the public listen to his voice. That is his voice is amplifying. Okay, his voice is amplifying. Then only listening his words. That is the best example of transistor. In public address system is the best example of transistor. Okay. Next, coming to transistor, where we use in multi-stage amplifier and single stage amplifier. Let us take what is meant by single stage amplifier. What is meant by multi-stage amplifier? The single stage means only one transistor is present. Okay, only one transistor is present. Coming to multi-stage, more than one transistor is present, we can call it as multi-stage. The name indicate multi means many stage, many transistor is present. Okay, this is the second further classes of multi-stage and single stage, multi-stage and single stage. Next, if you define again compared to the FET, the transistor is a 3 terminal, same FET also 3 terminal, GST, gate, source, drain. Coming to transistor is emitter, base, collector. Okay, emitter, base, collector. Again FET also gate, source, D. This is the similarity between FET and transistor. Transistor is a current control device, whereas FET is a voltage control device. Again terminals are same, GST and here emitter, base, collector. Okay. Next, transistor is a voltage purpose. Okay. In this again transistor classification is NPN, second is PNP. Again FET is classified as MOSFET and JFET. JFET means junction field effect transistor, whereas MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Thank you one and all. This is the transistor topic and FET.